Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner, and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you that I am participating in the Useful DIY Challenge for the month of August, and this month's theme is Upcycle. This is being co-hosted by two lovely ladies, Mom from Mom Dot's Life Handmade and Nicole North Garden. I'll be linking both their channels below so that you can go to their channels and subscribe, and also the playlist for this challenge. Mom and Nicole are asking to reuse an item that has already served its purpose and to upcycle it into something that is useful. I'm gonna upcycle this shirt, and it's my favorite shirt. And I'm already done. I've enjoyed it so much that I'm willing to let it go for this project. I decided to use it for this upcycle project. I do apologize for not showing you exactly how I did. I lost most of the footage because I didn't know that my camera stopped working, that the battery died, and so I didn't get it filmed. So I'm just going to try to explain to you how I made it. First, I want to show you the items I was able to create with that shirt. And this is all that's left of that shirt. I made 2 sponges, and all the remnants of the shirt are in here. This was under the table, so it didn't get used, but it would have ended up in one of these little sponges. Now this can be a sponge for your dishes, or you may use a sponge when you take a shower, or use it as a makeup remover. So it can be used many ways. Or I was thinking even to hold your straight pins. A napkin, another smaller napkin or a hanky, a pouch. This is the sleeve. That's a short medium pouch. This is a longer medium pouch. I was able to create a pocket for your utensils. This is part of the shirt. I also sewed a medium pouch and a larger pouch. And let me show you how I made it, because I lost the footage on that. I do apologize. And so I decided I wasn't going to share it this month, but I decided, yeah, I will. I decided I should share it because it took me a while to get it. And you know that saying, the worse you want it, the worse you get it? Well, in this case, it's true. I didn't even realize that my stitch was at a half zigzag, but it's okay. It was a happy coincidence. I think it reinforces the hem. So this is part of the back. This is the back of the shirt, because I cut it in sections, and this is the back. So I just folded it over, and you can see the curve of the shirt. And I fold it over, and I stitched it along the bottom, and you can see nothing fancy. In fact, it's sloppy. And then I did the French hem just to reinforce the side. And once I get my sewing machine out again, I'm gonna reinforce the hem on this. But for now, it's fine. And I just did like a pillowcase. I just hemmed the top over, and I left a little section so that I can run the string. And this is cotton string, so I can just run it in, and I just tied it. I was thinking this can be used as a lunch bag so that you can take your lunch. And to show you a sample, I have these Rubbermaid plastic containers from the Dollar Tree. You can put your lunch in here, put it in the bag, your utensils, your water jug, and after you finish your coffee in the morning, you can just drop it in there. And we mustn't forget the napkin. And for the smaller bag, I was thinking, or you can carry your groceries in here because it folds up nicely. Put apples, an orange, 2 oranges, and then look, you just pull it and it's a nice little carry-on to put into your larger bag. Okay, and all you have to do is pull the cinch, and then it's there. Everything's there in your bag. Look at that. It's carrying everything in there, and it's nice and strong. It's cotton, and so it'll wash up really nicely if it gets stained, and it's very durable. And if you don't want to use it for lunch, you can also use it for packing. If you're going to use these for packing, you can put your shoes in here, and then it keeps them contained and it doesn't dirty up the rest of your clothes in your suitcase. And maybe your underwear and your socks in here, or maybe a bra. Not my bra because I'm very busty, but somebody's bra, socks, underwear, and it keeps it contained. And so you can use these as compartments for your suitcase. And once again, I do apologize for losing that film. I would like to thank both Mom and Nicole for hosting this challenge, and I hope that you go to each and every one of our channels. I hope that you enjoy our upcycle DIYs. And if you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.